God. Listen, people. I want to know, what is it with this chef basket as advertised on television? I saw the chef basket advertised on television. Wonderful offer. $14.99. And you get a bonus of another chef basket. That's two. And the Everlast Chef's Knife. If you order by phone right now, you can avoid shipping and handling. How wonderful. As you can see, I first thought about ordering my wonderful chef's basket online. But then I thought, well, why not save yourself the shipping and handling and simply call? So, I called, and as opposed to being railroaded right through by their recording, I dialed 01. It didn't recognize. I dialed 0 twice. It didn't recognize. When I dialed the third 0, then I get the live girl. Ha! She said her name was Sheila. And of course, even though they make you spell your name first and last out, she would not give me her last name. But her first name is Sheila, with the ID number 11438. I figure if I'm going to give my financial information, credit card and so forth, over the phone, I should know who I'm talking to. Well, then I get the double talk and the speed sale about how I'm getting this wonderful offer for $14.99 plus a $6.99 processing fee. Now, if you add a penny, that's $15. You add another penny, that's $7. So I'm saying $22. But when she gave me the total of what it was going to cost, she said a total of $28. And I said, what? Please explain to me how we get from $22 and some change to $28. Explain it to me like I'm a 2-year-old. Well, here comes the surprise. Sheila informed me that the offer is $14.99 for the chef's basket. Now, the bonus items, which they don't tell you is a cost on TV. On TV, they just say these wonderful bonus items of the second chef's basket is another $6.99, and the other bonus item, which is the Everlast Knife, is another $6.99. So the bottom line is $28. Oh, it is shipped for free. But one thing they don't tell you in that lovely, lovely, lovely TV commercial is that you don't get the bonus items without paying for them. Those so-called bonus items have a bonus fee attached. Don't be misled. Signing off with a word to the wise.
But you forgot to mention that it's $6.99 per bonus item.
I did just say that.
Per bonus item.
It's $6.99 for the extra basket, the bonus basket, and $6.99 for the Everlast Knife. I did say that. Were you listening? Let me repeat. The bonus items are not free. X the bonus. You're going to pay $6.99 for the bonus basket and $6.99 for the Everlast Knife. So it reminds me of the ever so trite but nonetheless true adage that if it's sounds too good to be true. 9 times out of 10, it isn't. Mrs. Winona, disappointed and somewhat perturbed. Good night. Get a close-up of that shit, man.
And we're